Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to run HTML program in Notepad. Now, the first thing that we're going to be doing is we're actually just going to be creating a very simple HTML script for us to run in Notepad. For us to do that, let's just go ahead and open up Notepad and then let's go ahead and start coding. So for a HTML script, all we need to do is to go ahead and create our first doc type. So you don't need to fully worry about this, but this is what it looks like at the very beginning. So we have this doc type right here. And then we're going to be creating our HTML. So each HTML or each tag has its own pair. So we have our opening right here, and then we have our closing right here. So all of the contents is actually going to be inside this HTML. And each HTML page has a head and a body. So the head are all of the contents that we want not being fully displayed in our entire web page, except for the title itself. So let's just go ahead and add a title. So this title is actually what we would see at the very top of our browser, kind of like a tab itself. So let's go ahead and create one. So let's just call this HTML tutorial right here. And then with the head, we also have a body. So go ahead and add this body tag right here. And then let's go ahead and put some words in here. So the P tag is actually just a paragraph. So we can go ahead and add something in there. So say, for example, hi there. And that's pretty much it. So this is what our very simple HTML looks like. So how do we run this? Well, we need to save this as a .html. So go ahead and click on File right here. And then we're going to be clicking on Save As. Now this will go ahead and ask you to save it someplace. So let's just go ahead and call this let's call it index2.html. And then you have to go ahead and change the save type as a all files right here, so that it will go ahead and save this as a .html. So go ahead and save this. Now once the data is saved, you should be able to see the page that we have just created, which is this one right here. And if your .html opens to Chrome, you should be able to see the Chrome symbol right here. And then all you need to do is to go ahead and double click on this. And this will go ahead and create the actual web page. And there you go. So if we take a look at the page, so as you can see, we have the title, HTML tutorial up there. And then we have the body, which is hi there, right here. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.